Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Creator. This is Ashraful Islam from Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss about excretory system, chapter 8, biology for class 9 and 10. So before learning this chapter, we have to know about some topics like excretion, excretory system, excretory products, excretory organ, and why excretion is necessary. So at first we have to know what is excretion. Excretion is a biological process through which harmful nitrogenous waste products produced by metabolic activity are removed from the body. Then excretory system, the system through which nitrogenous waste products are excreted from the body is called excretory system. Then excretory products. Excretory products are mostly nitrogenous waste. Human excretory products are expelled from the body as urine. Urine is almost 90% water. The other components are urea, uric acid, creatinine, and different kinds of salts. The color of urine is light yellow due to the presence of a pigment called urochrome. Excessive intake of proteins increases the acidity of urine. Fruits and vegetables generally make urine alkaline. That means if you intake much proteins, acidic urine will produce, and if you intake much fruits and vegetables, then alkaline urine will produce. Excretory organ. Human excretory organ is the kidney. Two kidneys lie at the back of the abdominal cavity on either side of the vertebral column, and lower part of the rib cage attached to the back wall. That means this part is divided into two parts. The upper part is called thoracic cavity and the lower part is called abdominal cavity, which is separated by diaphragm. You have already known about this from chapter 7. The last one is why excretion is necessary. Most important thing, why excretion is necessary. The excretory substances are of no use for the body but may cause various diseases if they remain inside the body for long. It may even cause of death. Now we will discuss about the excretory organ of human body. Already we have known the excretory organ of human body is kidney. Okay, look, here is LS of kidney. LS, that means longitudinal section of kidney. Kidney is red brown in color, mainly red brown in color, and bean shaped. Look here, it looks like a seed of a bean. Okay, the outer side of kidney is convex. The outer side of kidney is convex and the inner side of kidney is concave with an indentation like here, indentation called hilus. It is called hilus or hilum. Okay, the outer side of kidney is convex and the inner side of kidney is concave with an indentation called hilus or hilum. Okay, and it's a bean shaped. The ureter and renal vein, this is ureter and this is renal vein, comes out from the hilus. Hence this is the hilus. This indentation is called hilus. So the ureter and the renal vein comes out from the hilus and the renal artery enters to the kidney. Look, ureter and renal vein comes out look, the arrow sign comes out from the hilus and the renal artery enters to the kidney. Look, the arrow sign. Okay. Renal, here point to be noted, renal, that means kidney related, like renal artery, renal vein, renal capsule, okay, renal pyramid, and so on, like this. Renal, that means kidney related. Okay. And you know about arterial vein, you have already known about arterial vein in chapter 6. Okay. Artery, that means heart, it transport blood heart to the body. Okay. And vein, body to heart. Okay. So look, the arrow sign, artery enters to the kidney and vein comes out from the kidney. The funnel shaped extended part, the funnel shaped extended part of the ureter is called renal pelvis. The funnel shaped extended part of ureter is called renal pelvis. Kidneys are enclosed with a special fibrous membrane called renal capsule. Okay, this is renal capsule. Okay, the special fibrous membrane, this membrane is fibrous membrane, is renal capsule. Adjacent to the renal capsule is cortex. This is capsule, and adjacent to the renal capsule is cortex. This part is called cortex, and the inner side is medulla. Okay, this is renal capsule, adjacent to the capsule is cortex, and the inner side, this part is medulla. Generally there are 8 to 12 renal pyramids. Generally there are 8 to 12. These are called renal pyramid in the medulla. This part was cortex and this part is medulla. So there are 8 to 12 renal pyramids in medulla. Each kidney contains a particular type of tubule called uriniferous tubule. Okay, and each uriniferous tubule has two parts. One is nephron and another is collecting tubule. One is nephron and another is collecting tubule. Urine produced in the nephron and collecting tubule carry urine to the pelvis. Okay. Once again, each kidney contains a particular type of tubule called uriniferous tubule, and uriniferous tubule has two parts. One is nephron and another is collecting tubule. Urine produced in the nephron and collecting tubule carry urine to the pelvis. Students, we have already discussed each kidney has a particular type of tubules called uriniferous tubule. Okay, and each uriniferous tubule has two parts. One is nephron and another is collecting tubule. Let's discuss about the nephron. The functional unit and the secretory part of the uriniferous tubule of the kidney is the nephron. And each kidney of human being contains about 1 million to 1.2 million nephrons. Can you imagine this number? Weight 125 to 150 gram only. It contains 1 million to 1.2 million nephrons. Okay, and each nephron, length of each nephron is 3 centimeter, about 3 centimeter. So if you unite these nephrons, that means in a kidney contains 1 million to 1.2 million, that means 10 lakh to 12 lakh nephron. So one length of one nephron is 3 centimeter. So if you unite, the length of all nephrons in a kidney will be that means 30 kilometer to 36 kilometer. Okay, just imagine how complex it is. Each nephron composed of a renal corpuscle or Malpighian body and a renal tubule, and each renal tubule divided into two parts, that is glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Okay, and Bowman's capsule encloses the glomerulus. This is glomerulus and this is capsule like, this is Bowman's capsule. So Bowman's capsule encloses the glomerulus. There are two arterioles in nephron. One is afferent arteriole and another is efferent arteriole. Afferent, that means inter, and efferent, that means outer. Okay, so afferent arteriole from the renal artery enters to the capsule and breaks into about 50 capillaries. Okay, and these capillaries divide again and form a mass of fine capillaries, and these capillaries unite together and form efferent arteriole to leave the capsule. Okay, you should keep in your mind afferent and efferent. Afferent, that means enter, and efferent, that means outer. Okay, leave, will leave. The glomerulus acts as a filter and produces filtrate from the blood, and this filtrate is called ultrafiltrate. When goes through the tubules, passing through absorption and excretion repeatedly. Here absorption and excretion occurs repeatedly again and again. Okay, and ultimately this ultrafiltrate is called the urine, which passes to the ureter through collecting tubule and deposits in urine bladder. When urinary bladder fills with urine, a sensation to urinate is created and allows to urine to pass out from the body through urethra as urine. Okay, and in this way kidneys help to pass out nitrogenous waste product from the body. Kidneys maintain the balance of mineral salts like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, etc. It also control the blood pressure and maintain water, acid and base of blood. Hope you got it, the function of the kidney, how urine is produces and how it passes out from the body, and how important the kidney in the body to maintain the biological process in human body. We have already known about the activities, about the functions of kidney. Now we will know about the kidney diseases. The normal activities of kidney can be hampered for some diseases like burning sensation, and it may occur kidney stone. The symptoms of kidney disease are the whole body may swell up, that means waterlogged, burning sensation and during urination, and passes of blood, urine with passes of blood, and urinating often, or in some cases urination is stopped. Small stone-like substances are produced by the kidney is called kidney stone. Anyone can be attacked by kidney stone. Excessive body weight, infections in the kidney, and intake insufficient water are the causes for kidney stone. When the kidneys become damaged or inactive, then treatment required through kidney transplant or dialysis. Here we will discuss about the kidney dialysis. when the kidneys are badly damaged or inactive, then blood can be filtered through a scientific way called dialysis. Dialysis is done by a dialysis machine. Here the figure is dialysis machine. One end of the dialysis tube of the dialysis machine is laid to the artery of patient's wrist, and another end of the dialysis tube is the same wrist in the vein. Blood from artery, this is artery of the patient's blood from artery passes through the dialysis tube. It is dialysis tube, okay. And the wall of the dialysis tube is semi-permeable. So this tube is semi-permeable. So urea, uric acid, and other harmful waste products excreted from here. The purified blood. This blood is purified blood because after filtering, the waste products like urea, uric acid, and other harmful waste products are removed here, and this blood is purified and it enter the patient's body through the vein. In this way, harmful nitrogenous waste products are separated or excreted from dialysis machine from blood, and purified blood enters to the patient's body. This is the function of dialysis machine. Okay, this is all of the chapter 8 about excretory system. If we mention the discussed topic again for this chapter, excretory system, the topics was excretion, excretory system, excretory products, excretory organ, that is kidney, and the functional unit of kidney, that is nephron, and the kidney diseases, kidney stone, and the dialysis machine. Thank you very much, my dear students. Thanks to all. See you again inshallah with another chapter. Allah Hafiz.